Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down fully and unplugging every cable. This prevents electrical damage and accidental boots. Once unplugged, move the Xbox to a well-lit, flat workspace and rest it on a soft cloth to protect the finish. You'll also assemble tools now: compressed air, a microfiber, cotton swabs, and 70% plus isopropyl to avoid hunting mid-clean. Begin with external inspection for dust bunnies and loose debris, so you know where to direct airflow first. You'll focus on vents and ports next because airflow keeps the system cool. Use short compressed air bursts at an angle rather than long blasts. This dislodges dust without pushing it deeper, and keep the can upright to prevent propellant spray. For stubborn buildup, run a soft brush along slats, then finish with a half-damp cotton swab on external crevices. Make sure to avoid opening the chassis. Warranty and delicate components matter, unless you have official guidance or professional help. Once cleaning is done, give the case a final wipe with a microfiber. Use a slightly damp cloth only for fingerprints and avoid moisture near openings. Reconnect cables and power on the console. Watch startup behavior and listen closely for fan noise. Normal fans ramp then settle. If you see persistent overheating, unusual fan sound, or error lights, power down and contact support or a certified technician. That troubleshooting step prevents further damage and ensures reliable long-term performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.